Today's set of nails is based on some items that I purchased off of Amazon, including a bunch of Makartt haul items. And today's nails, I'm going to be using Makartt's false nails. This is part of their professional nail system. It comes with 504 pieces and 15 different sizes. The label in here is a sticker. It includes sizes 0 through 11 and then half sizes 6.5, 7.5, and 8.5. This is a medium length coffin nail and the structure is really great. It has a nice firm free edge as well as a more flexible cuticle and a nicely etched underside with some good grit for improved adhesion. The shades used today is from a set called Spring and Bergen, and this is a beautiful pastel collection that includes shades not only opaque but also a shimmery shell one and two sheer sparkly ones. I'm going to also be including this set of stickers, which I revealed in the haul video, and I'll just quickly flip through them. They're all themed in like that Hawaiian hibiscus flower type in different variety of colors and sizes. We're also going to be using a bunch of embellishments, which include some polished oyster shells, some sea glass, some gold-shaped seashell charms, mixed in with some pebbles and rhinestones. To start off with a set of nails, we always like to prep the surface, and by doing that, I file off the little nib that's on the free edge from the manufacturing process, and then I buff the entire top surface before going in with a little bit of 100% isopropyl alcohol and just cleaning off all that dust using a lint-free cotton wipe. After completing that, then I'm going to go back in by using some Hema-Free Makartt base gel. I did purchase the base and top coat to make this set of nails today, and I was really pleasantly surprised with the nice texture, and the brushes were really wonderful with both the polishes and this base and top coat. I will also provide a link at the end for the unboxing video if you haven't had a chance to see that yet. We're going to do this as a watch me while I work, and then we'll catch up at the end of the video. This little ColorPot from Makartt is so versatile and fun to use, not only from this wonderfully opaque white shade that is great for French tips, but also the sheer shimmery cat eye that adds the perfect bit of glimmer to the tip of this fingernail. So check it out. I'll put links in the description box for all the products you see here today. And here's what the nails look like before we do our final embellishments. And of course, before you add any stickers, it's always a good idea to remove a little bit of that sticky layer. So you want to come in with some 100% isopropyl alcohol, again on the lint-free cotton wipe, and just do a swipe over top. Let that air dry before adding embellishments like these stickers. If there's any items that I used in this video that are no longer available, I will try to provide links to alternatives that I think would be a great replacement for what you see here. I do also have a discount code with Makartt for 10% off purchases made on their direct website, and I'll provide that discount code in the description. This set of nails turned out so dreamy and is a perfect way to splash into summer, that nice transition between spring colors and the beautiful seaside summer day. And as always, thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to be courageous and clever like a fox, my friends.